a heart can hold. And I wrote, I wonder how I tell you the depth of a heart. For let's talk about mine. Too shallow, for it fits in my chest, for I don't like boys the way I love my girls. Too lightweight, for I get drunk on beauty. Beauty I see everywhere, for I'm high on clouds, on sunshine, on moonlight, on breeze, on sunlight. Too deep, for I love the ocean's depths, for I have so much love for people I've never even met. Or is it finite? For there's only so many people can I see, can I love in this life? Only so many flowers can I love in this life. Too confined, for sometimes there's days when I wonder if I love them, when I wonder if I have life left, when I wonder if my heart's depth it was lost in some case of theft. Or is it modest? For somehow I can always fit people there in my heart, even if it feels full, and still see them as if they were art. Or maybe it is infinite or unbounded, for how do I explain the love with which my heart surrounded, the love with which my heart surrounded for the people I have, the love I have for the people I never got to share this life with, love for this world even after all it comes with. How do I explain that I love poetry and moon and also flowers and trees and skies and bees? With my soul and my heart, for everywhere I see, all I see is art. I wonder if my heart and yours is in fact dimensionless, and maybe that's why it is immeasurable. And therefore measuring hearts, even for the poets, was nothing but trouble. Thank you. There were a few mistakes, but moving on, there's another poem which I believe is very romantic, and I think this is one of the poems that I love the most, and it's named You. I'd give you my sun, my moon, and all my stars. Forever since I saw you, I've not been more entranced by anything else. Forever since I met you, I've not seen anything more bewitching. Forever since I talked to you, I've never been more raptured. My heart, my body, my soul by you have been captured. You became the center around which my planets of feelings revolve. You became the sun that gives me light to shine and reflect kindness and love. You gave me light enough to live and enough to create. Because of you, it exists. My love, my life, my joy. Forever since I've had you in my life, things have become more better, more merrier. You became the moon to shine through the dark nights that had once been gloomy, empty. My nights now filled with ecstasy, with love. You control my tides of feelings around that once threatened to drown me, now calm and subtle and soothing in the presence of thee. You taught me acceptance in all shapes and forms. I learned to care less of all those stupid social standards and norms. I love myself a little better now, and when people say they love me, I don't always question why or how. Forever since the moment we collided, fates altered among the stars, and now I'm yours with all my barely ever there glory and all my ever-present scars. The constellations lightened my path to you, and as I went along, my heart it skipped a beat or two. You became my stars, and as I danced in your light, I swear Alyssa, she could see me from Mars. You are my sun, my star. You make me shine, regardless of a distance. You don't whine. You collected the pieces of my feelings and being and pieced them all together to make garlands with strings of love. And as I wear them round my neck, I feel no less than the gods from heavens above. You're my star, and you give up pieces of your home to make me a land, to make me a home. You're my sun, my moon, my star. This remains no matter what, no matter how afar. For it was one touch, and now yours forever shall I remain. 3 words from you, and I forget all my pain. That all those words of poets that I have loved, they were nothing but in vain. Be my homeland, be my nation. You could be the poetry, I could be the translation. You could be the sun, or I could be the planets. Be close to me like the opposite poles of magnets. One look at you and would suffice to make me swoon. You could be the stars, I could be the space. A single thought of you and I wanna kiss your face. Let's not rush and set our own pace, for we have got all the time in the world, because you're my sun, my moon, and all my stars. Thanks so much. And as I end, there's one last thing, because as I write about love, there's also sometimes anguish. And this goes, I tried to be her. I tried to be her, her who was loved by everyone, her whose smile was brighter than the sun. I tried to be her, her who was not me, not by the longest shot. What do I do now? In my head, I feel so caught. I'm trying to have an out, I'm trying to be me. Just trust me, I'm trying, for I just wanna be free. Thank you.